What's up everybody? Today I will be unboxing this Camo decking system. It'll help you put the deck boards on top of a deck frame. I have heard great things about them. They have really good reviews online, so we're going to check it out together. I'm probably filthy, I'm sweaty right now. I've actually been putting together the deck frame all day today. So I'm really excited to put the finishing touches on it. All right, so let's check this thing out. All right, let's see what we have here. Wow, super simple, super simple. Pretty detailed instructions there. All right, so that's it for the unboxing. Let's get to using it. Okay guys, so I went to the store and picked up the correct screws this time. 1 7/8 inch here, and that's all you need. I'll show you what to do, but basically you grab this and that'll expand these things down here. You can see that top one up there moving, so that's what grabs the board. And then this hole right here and this hole on this side are where the screws go. So let's demonstrate that over here. All right, so I have this board lined up. So what I'm going to do is squeeze this so it grabs it, line it up to my joist down here, push it, and it leaves this gap here, which I believe is 3/16 inch gap. You can see it does that on all these, and they're all the same, they're all in sync. So all I'm going to do here, got my screw, slide it in there, slide it in there. And they comes with 2 drill bits, the correct drill bits that you need here. I'm using a hammer drill, but I have another just regular drill over there too. When my wife was helping me out, 2 people can do it, one on one side, one on the other. Don't put body weight on this itself, it can break. And that's all there is to it. Look, that's not going anywhere just with that one alone. Quickly can go.